Every story has a prelude, and the story of life is no different. For women, the narrative begins with the menstrual cycle, a complex ballet of hormones preparing the body for potential conception. On the other side of the equation, we have the male body, where millions of sperm cells are produced, each hoping for the chance to participate in the incredible journey of life. Our story now takes us on the remarkable journey of the sperm. Born in the testes, these tiny cells set off on an arduous and awe-inspiring voyage through the male reproductive system. Out of the millions that start the journey, only a few thousand will survive to reach the ultimate destination, the female reproductive tract. In parallel within the female body, a single egg matures within the ovary, under the guidance of hormonal cues. Once ripe, the egg is released during ovulation, opening a brief window of opportunity, a mere 24 hours, where it awaits the arrival of a sperm for fertilization. Now, the dance of fertilization begins. As the sperm navigates through the female reproductive tract, propelled by the rhythmic movements of its tail, it encounters numerous challenges. But for the one victorious sperm, the reward is immense: penetration of the egg's protective layer, marking the beginning of an extraordinary union. Watch in awe as the miracle unfolds. The genetic material from the sperm and egg fuse, forming a zygote, the first cell of a new life. This moment sets in motion a series of rapid divisions, forming a cluster of cells that will eventually implant into the uterine wall. The journey, however, is far from over. The embryo continues to develop, transforming into a complex organism within the span of 9 months, nurtured by the mother's body until it is ready to embark on its own journey into the world. Human fertilization, a process unseen by the naked eye, is a mesmerizing symphony of biology. The union of two cells triggers a miraculous chain of events that culminates in the creation of life itself. It's a testament to the wonder and beauty of nature, a reminder of the profound significance of each individual's origin story. Thank you for joining this exploration of human fertilization. Make sure to subscribe for more intriguing insights into the marvels of science and life. Until next time, continue to explore the wonders of our incredible world.